if we can keep track of it. Get the other one too, maybe. Okay, so we gotta chill for a little bit. Open seven track. Working on your deck. Okay. Well, if Altman isn't going to help me, who will? You check out, can I just land grab cloud this? I think I should have access to this. Hello? Alright, let me just, okay, yeah. Yeah, into my local endpoint. My local endpoint. Online graphic platform. Data repository. They're always so slow. For this, I don't care whether it's Python or Java. Am I working or am I templating? So deployment, new deployment. Oh, why does this have the wrong thing on it? What is this? Oh, man. Can I get the actual display capture or not? Okay, I don't know why I wasn't updating it. My bad. Oh my god. Update deployment on push the branch, yeah. Yep. Terrible, right? Setting up TCL. Down. Okay, I don't really care about this. What's up, Cloak? we are cooking agents. I have modal credits. So, okay, here's the scoop. Here's the skinny. I'm gonna turn down the beats for a second. Okay, so the deal is, AWS does not want to give me P5 instances, or at least they're making me like do a lots of dance monkey dance in order to acquire my delicious P5 instances to run so that I have actual GPUs on which to run models. However, I do have some credits on modal. So, do I have the thing? I don't think it's on that one. It's not on that one. Didn't I have the docs open over here though? I thought I did. Anyway, let's hop over to modal. Okay, I gotta log into this. Hopefully it's fine. I think we can just rock it with GitHub, right? Okay, so we have some startup credits from modal. I have not really dug in super hard on how modal works basically in terms of what kind of GPUs I get. Can I just like when I'm looking through their docs, right? It's like when I'm looking through their docs, it's just like, hey, if you want a big boy, like you just say GPUs, and then that's your GPUs, and now you have them. So I forget. Music's too loud? No, okay, yeah. Sorry, I'm rocking out. Okay, there we go. How about that? Oh, and I wonder if I should probably, if I crank up my, my input volume, maybe that'll help. Oh, you know what? Actually,
save time creating
much better, but can the game? Well, okay, so
change the way you record podcasts, voiceovers, and branded content with the number one AI voice generating.
So we just cranked the mic, so maybe that'll help.
Stop searching for.
I have to like reconfigure all my how my stuff is gonna work. Too much, about half as much. Okay. If we go down by like that much, how about that? Does that work? We just cranked my mic gain down in OBS, so hopefully better. Okay. Less or more, or are we good? I cannot make the fan sounds go away because then my brain will start shutting down if I don't have the fan going. Good. Okay. So, modal is what we currently have. So I don't really know how modal works in terms of like what bits of the model I get to poke. What I'm gonna do, but I have a plan in a couple of inference optimizations that I can make to larger models, and I have a list of large competent models that I would like to throw into Crush and OpenCode. So the plan is, the plan is open source, cheaper Claude code, which I could just use Cerebrus code, I guess. And I probably will use Cerebrus for inference at some point, but I don't know. I don't know how much they'll let me poke the model at Cerebrus either. Open source OpenAI, yeah, I heard about that. I don't know. I mean, we'll see. I don't have super high hopes for performance on that one, but maybe it'll work out. But likely already on LLM Arena, you think? LLM Arena. Let's see. Can I get the leaderboards, please? ChatGPT latest. I was playing with the new instruct. It's doing okay. Earlier. Yeah, I don't see it on here yet. 03/2025 416. K2 711 preview is interesting. But I don't know why I have no idea what that beeping is. It's really annoying. But yeah, so TLDR, Claude Code, just because of how, yeah, I'm sure. I mean, they're like Horizon Zero on OpenRouter is presumably an OpenAI thing. I don't know. I played around with that a little. It feels like a small model though, or at least it kind of did to me. It had small model smell, and I want, yeah. So I want a big one, because problem statement is Dario's kind of putting himself out of business with the whole Claude Code thing, and sucks for him, but also I don't want to use his like heavily quantized, massively throttled model that I'm only allowed to have for like 10 hours a week or whatever. So, well, I mean, the open source ones that I'm looking at, like normies can't run them. Like you can't run R1 or V3 because it's 671. So I do know I have one buddy that has a copy of Quen up with like 700k-ish context still intact. So, and I think it's at FP8, I want to say. But there's like 6 more models that are all kind of like at least better than Sonnet, and they don't do the really annoying Sonnet thing where it decides it's going to go build like 12 extra features for no reason. So basically I have modal credits and I want to see what I can do with them. Basically, like if I can use my like 500 credits here and just sort of like grab a bunch of GPUs, and then the optimizations that I want to make are decoder and sampler level. So as long as they let me far enough into the guts and will let me like grab the hardware I need, and like it's actually giving me that hardware and not like secretly like not giving me the hardware. Basically, we got $500 to play with, and I need to figure out like what exactly I can do with them. But I'm not gonna figure that out myself, because why would I do that when I have magic robots to do the whole thing for me? So I was gonna throw agent mode. Where did the chat that I was typing go? I don't know. Exactly. Hookers and coke, right? So we're gonna see, is this done indexing? Once this is done indexing, still waiting, let me see. Give it a little refresh here. We're gonna throw all of these. We're gonna throw all these repos at the agent, and then agent's gonna give us a game plan of how to start iterating through the models on modal, just to kind of get our heads wrapped around how modal works. And then once we do, then I want to try with Crush, and I want to try with OpenCode, and then also Harrison dropped Deep Agents recently, which either we can use that to help us kind of organize all of this stuff together, so that we can get the agents doing everything for us, or we can start rigging our own deep agent based Claude code thing, more or less. But yeah, basically we're gonna play with modal a little bit. So right now I'm like, okay, do I have to wait for that to index? I will if I want to put Sam's agent on it. But I'm like, okay, do we want a backup agent, I think, is basically what I'm trying to figure out. And I think I do. So we're going to see, we're going to let, music products too, you know, I'll probably just go get my headphones, honestly. I have them now, so I can, in fact, do that. And then that way, it won't be disruptive to everybody. Okay. And then let me double check this, if this can get my... Okay, we're gonna switch. These are my Bluetooth headphones, so maybe that will work better. And then I will do my restart the desktop audio capture. So we can have a little bit of ambience in the background to watch levels a little easier. There we go. Okay, totally. Yeah, so it should be a totally different sound. Is it significantly worse? Is it the same? Is it better? I think this is exactly like that. This can get turned up here. The old with 25% music is better. Okay. Here, I have an idea. We will go retro microphone. Okay. Worse. Okay, so now we just switched microphones here, and then now I've got my music in my headphones, so that it won't be picked up by the thing. So now you should be in, we should be in decent shape here. Let me make sure I have the requisites. My MacBook really likes to just like randomly, it like randomly turns down my microphone input a bunch all the time. It's really annoying. I don't know why it does that. Very strange. Better. Okay. But okay. So yeah. And then this could probably go back up because this is just green lining here, and then this should work like that. Maybe this can go a little further down. Okay, where were we? We were going to probably get, so I was gonna get a deep agent going, just so we kind of have one. And then save disk space. I don't really care about disk space right now. It's fine. I don't think I'm going to need to LLM providers and other services. Yeah, we're going to need an open router key. Music down, gain up, not the other way. Yeah, no, I appreciate the help. It is good. Music down, gain up. Okay. But I want the music, I want to listen to the music is the thing. Did you mean music gain or microphone gain? We can do like way quieter music. I guess because it's mostly for me. Yeah. No, I appreciate that. Mic gain. Okay, so mic gain is kind of like it's kind of where it was. We can do advanced properties, and we can maybe go like, we can crank that actually up, actually for real. We can do like another 3 dB in OBS, and then maybe another, maybe we can see if this is gonna input MacBook Pro microphone. Yeah, I hate this. Do y'all know how to get, like, if I'm in my MacBook, right, and if I go to sound and I go to input, it will let me change the gain on the microphone, but then as soon as I stop clicking it up, it just like automatically turns the gain back down for no reason, and it's really annoying. And there's not like an auto leveler thing. Yeah, it just like is pulling the gain back down for no reason. It's really annoying. Yeah, I mean the music is at negative 30 dB right now, and my mic is at plus 3 dB. So, but unfortunately, like, my MacBook just keeps like randomly in the actual system settings of the sound, just keeps like pulling it back down for no reason, and it really annoys me. I'm gonna freaking Google and see if I can figure this out. It's for me mostly. But yeah, I guess I can just turn it off completely. We can go way down. Okay, so right now it's at negative 50 dB, so you probably shouldn't be able to hear it at all. Like, when I'm looking at the levels on my OBS, like, yeah, I'm looking at the levels on my OBS, and it's, you can't hear it at all. Okay. Okay, so now it's at about half green, and when I talk, I'm like yellow lining. So like, according to my, can't hear at all. Okay, perfect. Okay. So yeah, so it's green lining, I'm yellow lining, so hopefully that will stay where it is. I do like to have a soundtrack when I am mogging $7 trillion companies. In any case, maybe I might just be lazy and let Sam do. Well, I do want to put his agent through the paces, basically. I do want to see how well he can do. That's the plan. Hell yeah. This is the jam, dude. Okay. Are you ready? Can I have it? Alright. Sam Altman, Mr. OpenAI guy, OpenAI CEO man. Yeah, Sama. But his thing is really slow at indexing my repositories. It's very annoying. So maybe I can just build one faster than his can index. That would be really funny. Sure. I'm gonna need an open router API key. So I think I have to turn this off for a second. Okay. Open router. Add. Secret? Okay. Invalid. Dashes under. Wait. Oh, because I. Got it. When GPT-5? Yeah, I think so too, probably. Honestly. I would not be surprised. Especially because, what up, Taurus? Especially because Cursor and frickin' Swix already have been like playing with it a little bit. I'm expecting like this week or next, basically. Okay, I don't care about TTLs. I care, Taurus, what am I messing with? I am attempting to get myself off of Claude Code because I'm tired of Daario saying that none of us can have nice things because he's accidentally bankrupted himself by releasing his $200 plan. Copilot talking about the next step up. They did a new thing with Copilot, I feel like. Or maybe it was just my first time using the GitHub Agents thing. But we tried it the other day. They were fine. I don't know, generic agent thing. Okay. So, how do I use this little bippy here? Like Minecraft platform, experimental AI products. What's this? Citizen developer, OpenSWE, open source cloud-based agent. No. Although maybe that will be helpful. Oh, is Copilot getting all GPT-5-ish? Okay. Overview. Minecraft server, yeah. So, how do I get into Studio? Let me get into Studio. Specialized agent, blah, 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 blah. Graph mode, get started. Deployed online, yeah. I don't care about that. Yeah, okay, so, so I need to do, I have the deployment first. So now I should be able to submit to deploy. This may take about 15 minutes. Click the Landgraph Studio button in the top right corner. Okay. Active revision waiting for deploy, waiting for database. Okay, so can I see this? You can't see. Oh, yeah. Sorry, I forgot to turn my screen back on. I was hiding it because API keys. Let's see. Claude feels great to use until every 3 or 4 hours. I have to wait 3 or 4 hours to do more work. Yeah, I'm tired of that. Also, I don't know if you've tried to use it at like peak hours, like 9 to 5 PST, but it gets really, really, really stupid. And I'm pretty sure that's because Daario is doing something to help him serve the model more effectively. And by effectively, I mean cheaper, so he doesn't bankrupt himself. And I am tired of dealing with this. Yeah, no, I appreciate it. So, yeah, that's kind of today's quest, is I want to Basically, I want to figure out which of the available open source models is going to be the best thing to stick into either Crush or OpenCode. And then I want to basically find every possible inference optimization that I can do to that model to make it more smarter and gooder. Yeah, so currently I have a list of models and a list of optimizations that I'm just going to chuck everything at an agent and say, make this good, basically. What's up, Mike? How you doing? We are going to try and... Today's quest is to try and get a better model than Dario going. And stick it in a nice open source. Yeah, I'm leaning towards Quen. I think Quen is probably going to be the thing, especially because I got a buddy who's already got a Quen endpoint up with a lot of context in it. So in theory, that's what we'll do. But I'm waiting for all of these agents to index. Okay. While I wait for that, then what I will do is I will get deep research going. Give me a step-by-step guide on how to use the LangGraph Studio platform to create a deep agent. Check GitHub for this. He's going to need to index that too. HW chase, deep agents. That will assist with model optimization based on being provided a series of repos and documentation that outline model spec, inference optimization, platform usage modal. Anything else? Agent chassis. Looking at OpenCode and Charm Bracelet Crush at the moment. We want a terminal coding agent similar to Claude Code. I need walkthroughs for LangGraph Cloud Studio, and let's stick to a walkthrough for LangGraph for now. I'm the least familiar with that platform, and I don't think I can put an agent on it. Let's see. Yes. Yes. Inside LangGraph. Both is fine. Best practices with LangGraph. Interactive. I think there's a graph node you can set for human inverted. Alright, he is gonna cook, and then let me new chat. And let me get an agent. Let me check. Are we done? Oh my god. How annoying. How obnoxious. Okay. Well, I don't want to sit around waiting. Let's see. What is... Okay. So we know we're going to need to do modal. So let's go to... modal examples. Actually, I want modal examples. And then I want deep wiki. Cool. I'd like to deploy the following models. And I need to access the sampling settings as well as the decoder, attention mask, positional embeddings to make inference optimizations to the model. The models, I wonder, does he have a search tool here? I think he does. The models I want to try out are, I have a list somewhere. Where did I put it? Actually, I'm going to keep that thread open, I think. There we go. Oh yeah, is RC out? Oh my god, why is it behaving in this way? Okay. RC Express. No. LM. RC, do you have fine-tuning a fully differential drag architecture. Okay. Anything new, guys? I heard tell 3 days ago, AFM 4.5b, Supernova Medius. Okay, these are all 4.5b's, though. I need big guys. I need big boys. Okay. I think it's called like RC Express. It is maybe not out yet, which is fine. And I need to check. Do I have Deep Cogito? Okay. All of them are 2 days ago. We want DeepSeek 671. DeepSeek 671. And then what is, I need step fun, I think. Step fun. Step 3, right? Yeah, 321. Right. We have an FP8. Okay, sure. I wonder if I should bother with this, with doing this. Because I don't know if he's going to search. And I need, I do need GLM. 4.5. Yeah, okay, 355. And then Quen 3, coder 40, yeah. Kimi K2, okay, and we have no RC yet, which is fine. Just double check Open Router real quick. Make sure we don't have anything. 2508, is this? Oh wait, what? Horizon Beta. This is today. Improved version of Horizon Alpha. Interesting. Very interesting. And the inference optimization. I wonder if deep research, I don't know how it works here. Oh yeah, somebody did wide research. Manus wide research. Yeah, let's do this. Seems good. Jams. Okay, is it live? I don't think I'm logged in here. Yeah, no. I need, it is bookmarked, right? I just need like an extra tab. Let me do a Chrome file new window. Alright, am I Gucci? Where is... I'm technically not pro right now, I don't think. No, I don't think so. Okay, let me read this blog in this thing. Parallel processing. Launching today for pro users. For plus. Oh, pro is probably the like enormously expensive tier, so I don't think we care about this. It's fine. Annoying, but fine. Repos are alt, tropics, and west coast, and multi-decode. How would I go about doing this on mobile? Freaking where did I put? Oh yeah, I need to go back to Twitch. Okay. Gang. Yeah, we can VLLM, that's fine. Through the underlying torch model, okay. Tensor RT LLM, can I? Okay, for quants, sure. Let me get AI bricks, please. Alright, whatever. So chuck it over here. Chuck it at this boy. See what he says. Would AI bricks be useful, helpful, or can I even use it in this case? Okay, that's what I thought. Okay, it's native, serverless with its own orchestration system. Got it. Okay, that's fine. This is so hot though. Stick with the native, yeah. Direct VLLM. Okay, cool. Okay. Got it. Maximum through. Oh, I know I can. I can Tokosaurus. I know I can Tokosaurus. Go deeper, sure. Okay. Sam, are you done yet? Very slow, kinda cringe, dog. Whole reason I'm doing this so I don't have to wait for you fucking goobers. We done? Thank you. Okay. Install the CLI core library if I must. Sheesh. Cheap viewers on stream booth. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate that. Love it. Okay, cool. That's fine. We'll do that. And then I probably should try, but I don't think I need it right now. Minecraft CLI. Okay. Do I want an in-memory dev server, deep agents, Minecraft Studio? Okay, do I really need to do this though? I mean, I will, if I willy need to. Yeah, so I don't, okay, so via tools, define tools, no op-to-dos, couple of those. Throw some Python at it. Sure. Okay, I was kind of just wanting to do it visual, but that's fine. Give me a search. Can I just do it on their hosted platform, or their hosted Minecraft Studio thing through API or something? There we go. Very nice. Jippity. Cook. Go forth and cook. Okay, sure. So we can do KBs there. Sure. Attaches to a running line graph server. Okay, yeah, that's what I thought. No local infra, agent code in a GitHub repo. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. I'm not bugging. Which means we need to pick a. Okay. Where's my specs workflow here? It's this, yeah? Not standard lib. Don't I have one over here? I think it's just right here. Jippity. Why would I do it myself when I have robots for that? Repos. Can I have like tree? Nice. Gang. What do I want? I can get rid of this crap. I don't know why I have that open. It's fine. We go here, do this. Drop into the line graph template repo. Wonder how much I wonder, I don't know if it's got, I don't know if it's gonna have, it's not gonna have the memory that I have in my normal account, which is fine. Drop into the line graph template repo. File structure is as follows. I'd like to use a spec first, CDD workflow with Claude code to rig up this helper agent for persistence with my task. Can you think hard on how best to structure the spec sheets? Provide those first, then if you feel like you have room to do it, just give me all the code. Cooking. Model example. Okay, so we're gonna have the LLM, which is cool, which is fine. So I should probably get we should read this too. TensorRT LLM provides extensive access to low-level components. I need EXA. If I may, excuse me. Examples of drop-in inference optimizations that I'm currently working with are West Coast ML, JVR alt inference. Without additional training to the model. May I see? Turn it back. Don't need this. Minutes can probably fuck off. Maybe we'll need them. Implement custom model classes, how to access these components directly in Falcon bits and bytes. If I may. Streaming into IDs. Okay. Yeah. EOS token ID. Okay. Yeah. We got it. Matter of time, Dario. Matter of time. Coming for your bag, buddy. Sorry, not sorry. Use the comfy CLI pattern? Oh, well, yeah, okay, you're hallucinating. Shut up. There we go. Is this one good? I don't know, this whole anthology is really good. A matter of time, all of these are not grouped KV attention. I don't know if that's going to be flashing for sure. And for flow? Inference engine. Okay, sure. I don't really care. I think there's an AWQ somewhere, isn't there? Omni KV? How old is this? 3 months? Ooh. Which token dropping requires no additional training. Okay. Sparsity of attention maps. Because Kimmy's really sparse. Your original model performance on bench. Okay, what does that mean? Extending the maximum context length. 1.7 speed up and tensor parallelism in light LLM? Sure, but I'm on VLLM, so I don't know how much. Yeah, that's right. Post-training? How much? Built on Virl, right? Yeah, Volk engine. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so maybe some stuff to look through here. X faster transformer. Head infer. Headwise offloading. How old is this? 4 months? What the frick? Okay, so we just patch it in, right? Okay, interesting. Can I now? For even deeper control, model.py, this is hyperparent suite. Oh, I can. Okay. I think we might be cooking with gas on modal. Maybe. Alright. What you got? You done? Cool. Gang. I don't want to do anything. I don't need to worry about that. Okay. This is going to be highly unnecessary, but whatever. They always like to make future plans, don't they? Oh, come on. Easy money. Just double check. Yeah, okay, we're good. you got, baby? Cool. Alright, I want Agent, are you done yet? You fucking goober. Oh my god. Why are we not? Do I need to like go do something? Because that like hasn't indexed about 100 years ago. Only 5? What the fuck? What else did I just flip? Okay. Multi-decode. I haven't tropics there. Let's just have them index a couple of these guys too. Yeah, sure, why not? Right. I feel like Apollo was maybe a thing. I wonder if it just didn't even kick off the indexing. Kind of feels like it didn't. Okay, so that has to index. I wonder if I can just codex this, right? Maybe. Cool. Taking a zillion years, dog. A zillion years. Okay. The thing is, Codex maybe won't. Oh, do I have to clone all these down and put them in repo prompt maybe? Maybe that's the way to do it. I think so. What up, bro? How we do? Yeah, I think maybe that's what we gotta do. Okay. So let's probably make a new. Yeah, probably. Okay. Okay, minimize that for now. Let's see. Okay.
See you there. Hi, I'm Alex, so I built Parts, which allows you to get data from anywhere on the internet in seconds. Parts allows you to
whose
visit
is
any
that?
website and any
I
task and
know
it'll
who
automatically
that
build
is.
a reusable API that can
Two.
interact with this website in seconds, not minutes. So why did I build this? I
There's
originally
an
got into software
idea
engineering when I was 12 years old because I
somewhere.
wanted to buy limited
No.
edition sneakers that would sell out in seconds and realized the only way to do this was with a bot. I didn't have enough money to buy a bot, so I taught myself how to code and reverse engineer websites to build a bot. Ever since then, I've been fascinated with how to build software that interacts with the internet.
Dog,
But
where
recently,
you
I've
at?
been frustrated with the current web automation tools on the market due to how slow and costly they are. So 5 weeks ago, I set out to build Parse because this required many sleepless nights of building and obsessing over performance gains.
I mean, I'm glad the kids are cooking. Don't get me
within the
wrong.
first 36
but,
hours, I had over 500 developers sign up and build over.
I have an
1,000
issue
frameworks
where
in Parse
it's
that
difficult
have
for
already
me
interacted with 100,000 web pages across the
to
internet.
figure out
Now,
where.
48 hours later, I think we're nearly at 800 users or so that have built even more scrapers. Although Parse has already saved these developers thousands of hours of time and labor, we're nowhere near done. I want Parse to be the default way for both software developers and agents to interact with the internet. If you're interested in working on this with me and are curious about how to solve the tough problems with web automation at scale, please reach out. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you.
Let's do a. Let's see. Okay, there it is. There it is. I found it. I appreciate the off season. I'm glad the kids are cooking, but I got bigger fish to fry at the moment. At the moment. It goes there. This guy goes here. And then the other one. Okay, I don't care about that. Oh, I know what I can do. Probably. I just go. That should work, right? There we go. Okay. Oh, is this, why does this... Weird. I wonder if my, Restream is like showing me the wrong thing, but it's fine. And then I had a couple more too that I just checked there. But why is it not? Heading for Omni KV and Polaris. I do kind of want. I wonder if Polaris is it. I wanted absolute zero as well. Paper I read not so long ago. Okay. And then I kind of want to grab the model cards for all these things. Agents, you can do this for me. clipboard. Got it. Okay, which ones do you need? You do need web search, and I am gonna give you, I'm gonna let you keep that. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Recall count, please. Thank you. Get rid of that. Inference maxing. Yeah. Do we need to do? I think we need to do. Go one at a time, right? I think so. And that thing is just the helper agent, so I'm probably gonna not need that much. And for recommendations, okay, 4.1 should be fine. What's this? Devise the code map for parallel classes. You can do like more than that though. Okay. Generate and apply AI. Proportional copy. Merge. Okay, so this is for. Okay. Selected plane edits for models. Sure. Dope. Enough for us to cook, right? Well, we should probably throw V3 on there, right? Somebody did, there's an instruct as well. Cool. Why does okay, I don't know why it only gives me those. It's kind of annoying, but what are you gonna do? And then yeah, I probably should grab a Gemini too, in case I need one. Preview 617, I think the flash light preview is kind of the move. I'm gonna do Pro. Okay. So, file tree and code map, yeah? A map for all unselected files in the project. Can we reset the cache? Got it. Okay. The maps instead of full contents. For file types for all unselected. Because I don't know exactly what the map is. Include maps instead of full contents. For all, okay. Sure. Okay. How we doing? How we doing, Agent? Thank you. Model card summary? No, dog. Okay. Can you provide me MD files of the full model card for each model in addition to the summaries? I didn't ask for a summary, dog. Thank you, little fucking goober. Nodal, the deployment patterns for which you can find in nodal examples. Generally optimizing for performance in general, especially in coding tasks. But our primary use case will be using models in autonomous code generation agents. Examples of which are found in the Crush and Open the model cards for the models we plan to optimize will be found here. Model cards. Example of how we'd like to format spec docs will be working with for the code gen agents that will be performing optimizations will be found in 2 slow altman steps. We generation code. Generation agents accomplish this task in full. So we need to retrieve from each of the codebase directories cut all of the files that we'll need to review in order to deploy the models onto Modal, make the code changes on Modal, implement the inference optimizations, as well as for any settings, tension mask, you'll want to review on how to use some code editing is performed in Touch, open code, such that we can optimize settings or sweep for the optimal available settings for our specific use case. Do I want 4.1 to do this? Well, we can take a couple of cracks at it, right? I think that's what we want to do. Our current task is to explore all provided code bases. This is find relevant files and begin building spec docs for our program agents. Lego. Why would I do stuff when I have robots? Fuck you. Request too large? This model is very... Oh, it's because it's on the fucking GitHub one. It's so boring. I don't need to guess. I have the internet. Oh my god, did you summarize that again, you little shit? Thank you. Okay. You're like... Oh my god, what did you do to the formatting? Lord of mercy. Okay, I don't need to guess. 2.5 flash, 520. Surprised they don't have light. Thinking. 4.1. 1 million context. Sure. Okay. How is Maverick up here? What the fuck? Okay, and then flashlight preview is just not at the moment. I wish I could like actually throw my okay. Fiction live bets. What are we opening at MRCR? Let me get 8. It's gonna be a lot of context leak. Average score is 30.6. Okay, so 2.5 Pro 6.5 reasoning is the 28K at 30. Oh my god. Why is the retrieval so bad, dude? What is the MRCR? Long context data set for benchmarking. Oh, I wish. Fucking. I need to check in with second. Okay. Second, please. My doggy. Schwiggity schwer is it's a bit dumber than sad times. Okay, if 2.5 Pro Mogs, then 2.5 Pro Mogs. That's fine. Okay, let's see. While that's cooking, is there something else I can do? Yeah, I can make model cards. Oh, because I didn't give him the model cards yet. Ripperino. If I may. Okay. I can download all these, yeah? I don't want... Why can I not download the markdown, my guy? Whatever. Model card number 1. Doesn't somebody have a new... Maybe that was step 3 that I'm thinking of. It's like hella multimodal. I wonder if those will port okay just over to fucking MD. That reminds me, I need to go join a couple. I need to join Kimmy Discord and Open Code Discord. Kimmy said they wanted mods, and if I get to be a Discord mod for Kimmy, I'll be a happy boy. Bum, 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 bum. Yes. Should check SWE bench too, probably. See if there's anything we should be modding in there. Oh my god, I love how long this fucking model card is. It's so good. We like long model card. Cool. Surprised my machine hasn't exploded yet. It usually does that when I'm streaming, especially if I'm multi-streaming. Frick. Wrong button. Yeah, let whining yet about this thing. Okay, really good. And then so that this last one was Kimmy. And before that was this one was When's Rico? GLM. Deep Cogito. I should check Hugging Face too. Just make sure there's nothing like popping off on there right now. Although maybe I should actually what's this one? Step phone. Okay. I like this one. I wish I could find these better quality somewhere, because I love this whole fucking anthology, but they are very much recorded from somebody's toaster. Oh my god, I hate macOS so much. Oh my god. It's gonna take like 20 minutes to like drag this shit into the right fucking folder. Okay, that's as close as it's gonna get, it's fine. Okay, I don't think we're gonna need. I don't think we need Polaris. We can knock all the Polaris off of this. We don't need to include any of the specs. Oh dang. Okay, well my headphones are running out of battery, so we might cut it here shortly. Okay. So context builder, approximate, says 500k tokens. Can I just chat with that? Okay, got it. Okay. So I don't even need to do that actually. And the most relevant. Okay. So first things first. I do. Maybe I kind of want to save this somewhere. Let me save this. Into here and logging daario. Okay, so if it has access to the repo prompt MCP server, oh, that's right. Didn't they break that a while back? Still on super quad. So they fucked up all of the configs. Did I fix it maybe? I'm not sure. That's not what I was trying to do. Oh yeah, I wonder if version 3.0 to 3.0. Okay. Updated components are now available. Manually modify. Don't I have a from Claude? Right. Okay, so that issue's still open. That's what I thought. Okay, well, I think I only want it to have one anyway. It's fine. Yeah, but what's the... Okay, sure. Okay, got it. No arcs. Oh, frick. Okay, model cards. Got it. Okay. Okay. Well, first off, okay. What you got? Okay, do I need to clear anything now? Okay, sucks. Alright, my headphone has died, and I don't want to subject anyone to the horrible, gain of my music figuring out again. But thank you, person that helped me do that earlier. I need to figure out who that was. Slouk, appreciate you. Yeah, I know we were mostly doxing, but honestly, like, that's kind of how I code, so so hopefully, maybe, I don't know, some of the workflow is educational, and hopefully, I'll probably try to just get this, like, kind of lined up configuration-wise, and maybe do a quick explainer of what we did, and then hopefully we'll be in a position, like, tomorrow or the next day or something to try to just fire off some rollouts of quad code to see if he can just like one shot the thing we're trying to do, which hopefully you gathered by this point. So yeah, thank